On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on? A blessed and wonderful Wednesday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side. So we have a story to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps. This evening's story is coming out of the troubled, war-torn, crime-riddled Manchester Police Division. Really sad for hear me even refer to that beautiful parish as such, but it is what it is. Now it's up to us, the regular members of Chan Public, to bring it back to what it once was. So this particular incident took place in Christiana, Manchester. It took place on Monday, the 2nd of April, 2023, sometime around 7 p.m. in the evening. And the funny thing about it, it happened literally just meters away from the Christiana police station. Now, this incident involves this young man. He has since been identified as Glenford Isaacs, more popularly known in the streets as JJ. And the story also involves JJ's half-brother, who has since been identified as Rahim. Now, what is interesting about this story, it also involves another known criminal element, one that has been featured on the Spot News Media over the past couple of weeks. I'm speaking about this criminal element here, presently on your screen, identified as 31-year-old vendor Troy Adamson, said to be from the Ghetto District community in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne. Now, for those who forgot, this criminal element here was implicated in a knifing of 2 schoolboys from Holland High School. It is said that it took place in the parish of Trelawney. The 2 schoolboys and this criminal element had a verbal turn physical altercation on the 9th of October. It took place along the Martha Bray main road. Now, the police report into that incident stated that the criminal element who was selling cotton candy got into an argument with a group of boys who were laughing at him. He allegedly threatened to take the lives of the boys before taking a knife from his waistband to inflict several wounds to the boys' upper bodies and head. The boys tried to flee, but the criminal element reportedly caught up with them, inflicting further knife wounds to their faces before escaping in the area on foot. So this criminal element here is a known knife bandit. So I have for you a voice clipping of a person, a native from the parish of Manchester, relating a similar incident involving the criminal element Troy Adamson. It is said that he was the knife-wielding bandit that took the life of Glenford Isaacs, otherwise known as JJ, in the streets. So I will allow you to listen to this person as this person gives the full detail of that horrific and brutal loss of life of Glenford Isaacs on that chilling Monday evening on the 2nd of April 2023. Now listen.
Good afternoon on the spot. Let me first say, this is not something that I do or usually do or have ever done. But I see the need to do this and I want to do it long time now. But sometimes the opportunity presents itself. Now, a crime took place a year and a half ago in Christiana, meters away from the police station. Can I tell you that it is one of the most brutal, horrific, heinous crime we ever see or hear about? Is a young man named Glenford Isaacs, popularly known as JJ. Good youth. Everybody at Christiana know JJ. JJ is a popular youth in the town. Him stand out, him sell in the market, him sell clothes and shoes in the market for this youth named Biggs. And everybody know him. From the day me know JJ, me see him at Christiana. Everybody know him. And JJ meet one of the hottest death ever any can ever given to human. This story is JJ meet up a half brother we him have. Go by the name Akeem or Raheem Wilson or Raheem Isaacs. Use both of the names them. And JJ is a youth with love family and love friends and just happy go lucky and just so him take on to the youth and every know him as the half brother and everybody alright. But that youth is a scammer and him have some scammer friend who are enemy to JJ and JJ never know. So him and them boy they are friend. So for JJ enemy, and for him half brother friend them and JJ never know. Them they are Christian and they think them and JJ over some woman business. That's how JJ and them guys they not get along over some woman business. Now the Wednesday be here before it happened. Raheem have a sister used to work in a one bar named Ashley. Raheem and Ashley plan up to make one of the youth where him and JJ are enemy named Gaza Boxer. Set up JJ life. JJ half brother set him up wicked. Set up in life. And when the youth, we don't even know if the boy did box Ashley. She said the boy box her in a one bar. She knows the JJ the pan. She go call JJ and the youth catch up that are the Wednesday. JJ no box him, no cut him, no nothing. Them just catch up and whatever. That time JJ never knows say I plan them and plan up, I set them and set him up. Alright? That was the Wednesday before. Argument done. The Monday of the following week, which was the 3rd of April 2023, remember it like it happened. No. We hear say Raheem call him and JJ said to a brethren say, carry me out of Christiana, the brethren named Shane. Carry me out of Christiana cause my brother called me and said he have a piece of food for me. Shane carry JJ out of Christiana. The whole of them in panic, you know. When me tell you, say, friend killer, oh God Almighty, man. Carry JJ go to Christiana. JJ and Ray meet up and out of Christiana whole time for about 2 o'clock in the day. And they a bar and have fun and drink and nice up themselves, Ray, Tate and everything. In about the... Because when them find him, when the police them find him, it was... The news say it was 7:15. So around about, 6:30 to 7 o'clock there about, him decides him and go back over, and he had him come from over one place named Silent Hill. I go back over and he had, so him link up him friend that I see him friend out there and wait for him now, All this time when him Raheem a Par and a Floss, time Raheem a set up him friend them. One of them named Gaza, one named Rico, one named Rama, and one a Rasta one, and then Scalefish at the market gate, and there's about 7 of them. Set them up, boy, them sharp them knife, set them up, place. Where JJ, them know JJ, where JJ I go walk, if go home, if go to the car, if go in the yard. Time the same youth named Shane, park up and I wait. Now, JJ ready to go home. Him Raheem, the so-called half-brother, left the bar. Cross the road. By the time he cross the road and I walk go down to the car fee, come in the yard. Out of nowhere, Gaza rush out. But before that, people have video footage circulating how Gaza and Rico circle the plaza with JJ depending on and watch the shop with JJ in. People have footage of it show and I see how the boy them a circle and I watch him out in the shop. When him ready to come home, by the time him to walk go down the car, the same youth will carry him come out, walk go down to the car, them rush out per Market Street and rush him and stab him and him start to run. And everybody just run out and start running down. Him run down to the car and him set to the bridge in my car mouth. They say, start the car. The boy turn up and say something wrong with the car. He can't start and he can't go up in the town. And he abandoned JJ and him carry JJ go up there. Him run, JJ run kind fast but he foot them and he run down Market Gate and run through the new road, the new plaza and make him way through the school road to come up a police station. And the same half-brother, I tell you, the same half-brother call the friend them and tell him the route where JJ come up and they corner him on one bike and back him up in the school road and lick him down with the bike. So they catch him and when they lick him down with the bike, they run down on him and hold him 2 hands back at him. And the one when named Rico start stab him, cut him throat, stab him up, peel stab on his left side. People, may I tell you on this spot one mechanic shop the nearby and people have to hide behind the wall and I watch what happen and people are talk. Why it look like I want animal them a kill. When they see what them are doing, it stab him up. And here see the youth them on the bike when they don't know and they let him go. The youth on the bike say come. And Rico turn back and say, may I finish him up and push the knife right through him left side in his heart, touch him heart. And all this time the half-brother turn up and watch everything, watch. No eyewitness now come forward because of fear of their life, but people see and people attack And we are taught because Christiana have mood for the youth because the youth get one of the hottest death waves on deserve. And me can tell you so when we see when the crime we're meeting out to the woman picnic. Meters away from the police station. The same Rico now when run away from Christiana when he have my go down in a center and stab the two Holland bamboo boy. Him same one of the same try Adamson and Rico and him and his friend them murder JJ and Christiana. And the police pick him up and carry him over hospital. By the time he reach over hospital, the same youth with him car couldn't start. Reach over hospital and before the doctor them pronounce JJ dead, word a circulate, the half brother and him over there circulates a JJ dead. Before the doctor them could have even pronounced him dead and they murder the woman, take the cold blood. And everybody, it's brutal and people can't stop talking about it and people are mourning over it because it's wicked and it uncalled for and it's inhumane and you can't find every single word to describe it. And it run away, Ghana Center and go down there again, go stab up two other people picnic. And the boy, them a walk free, them a walk free, them a walk free, and they know the woman bury her picnic, and a grieve over her picnic, and the boy, them a walk free. It's wicked, it can't stop talking about a Christian, it's wicked and whole Christian and more for the youth.
Sometimes, when me listen to them acts of atrocities here, really I have to wonder if me still live on planet Earth here. Because wickedness increase channel star. It's rough. Me know regular the ones and ones them, I wonder if something can really go so, you know. If a brother could have deal with him own a brother in such a manner. Well, in Jamaica, you know, stranger things have happened. Remember the two sisters over there in Chilani where one peer gunman for slap with the other one because a dead left house. And many other countless stories where brothers against brothers, fathers against son, family members against close-knitted family members, domestic abuse type of situations. All of that has been happening right before our very eyes. So even though this story sounds really strange, it is still not far-fetched. So the old dirty corner boy, Troy Adamson, is a known knife-wielding bandit. So residents of Christiana in Manchester who have knowledge of this particular incident, Troy Adamson is presently behind bars for the knifing of the two school youth them. So if anyone have any information as it relates to what was just told on this channel, please go inform the police them so the police can press additional charges on this criminal element and by extension find other perpetrators of that wicked and brutal act and bring them before the courts to face justice. Boy, may I tell my peeps, the thing rough. But anyway, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.